Hello. Welcome to today's Zoom class. In this class, we are going to discuss about the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? And how to get a benefit from the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? How we can benefit from the law of attraction? That is the content of this video. You know, the universe is governed by laws. There are many laws. Some of the laws are magnetism is one of the laws. Gravitation is one of the laws. The light is moving according to a law. Like that, there are many types of laws are there. Many electromagnetic waves are there. Like that, according to some of the experts and various experiences, law of attraction is also working. In your life, you may test it. You may test the law of experience. The law of experience works according to your thoughts. You know, thoughts are real forces. Thoughts are vibrations. At a lower level of vibrations, we have heat and sound and light. Above light, the vibrations are one of the wavelength is thought. So thoughts, according to one of the important and foremost psychologist and trainer, Walker Atkinson, William Walker Atkinson. He is one of the proponent of law of attraction. After him, there are many series are there. The Secret book about law of attraction, The Secret movie, and Charles Hanley, the master key system, are all developed after the works of William Walker Atkinson. His book name is The Thought Vibration or The Law of Attraction in the Thought World. So, according to the William Walker Atkinson, thoughts are real forces. Thoughts can manifest the desire into reality. Thoughts can influence the circumstances. So we are going to discuss about these things in this video. This is part 1. We will go on explaining various parts of the law of attraction in the future video. So if you are new to this one, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and also there is a free surprise gift for you in the description. And you collect the gift also. I will share the gift after the completion of the video. Free gift, surprise gift is there for all my subscribers. So I will share it. If you want to change your life, if you want to manifest your life, if you wanted to test the law of attraction, you follow all the series of videos in this YouTube channel. For that purpose, we subscribe. Now I will start the concept in this video. What is the law of attraction? Is it possible to manifest money? Is it possible to manifest relationship? Is it possible to manifest success? How the law of attraction works? How we can use in our daily life? How we can use the law of attraction to change our environment, how to create joy. Like that, we are going to discuss. The first point in this uh, thing is many people doubt law of attraction itself is a waste program. It is advocated by some of the selfish people like that. They will comment about the law of attraction. Law of attraction, you may test in your life about the law of attraction. You may test for 30 days in your life. If it is working, you practice it. If it is not working, you leave. If it is working, if you get benefited, it is really good thing. So test in your life and you decide. Suppose gravity is here. The person, whoever it may be, jump from the building, he definitely fall on the ground. If you throw a rock into the sky, the rock will generally fall on the ground. There is no agent in between. If there is a magnet, the magnet will attract the steel. The magnet pulls the steel, but in between, we can't see the magnetic waves with our senses. We are having five senses, eyes, ears, nose, skin, and taste, tongue. So our senses, beyond our senses, there is a world. Beyond our limitations, there is science. We are trying to explore the various concepts. We are trying to discuss for the last 100, 200 years, and still it is the research is going on. We can't reject electricity is not visible. The wire, I can catch the wire. You can't say like that. What happens if a person catches, hold the live wire? You know the result. If you believe or not believe, the law of attraction always works. If you believe and use in a proper way, in a positive way, you will get benefit. If you don't believe and or if you don't take care of the law of attraction, if you go on a random way, then also the law of attraction works according to your experience, according to use of your thoughts. So thoughts are real forces. Thoughts creates actions. These actions lead to reality. So this is one of the concepts. So according to law of attraction, if we think, we will release our thoughts to the environment, to the outside world, to the cosmos. When we leave the vibration to the outside, the vibrations will connect with the outer space. Around 2012 or 2011, I met one teacher, lecturer, degree college lecturer called Raghava Reddy. He given a good idea about the functioning of the human system. He stated that within ourselves there will be something which will connect with the outside world. According to him, all the environment, all the space, all universe is filled with intelligence. This intelligence he says that God. So we will connect with the God with a small micro unit called as self, which is present in our being. You know, in the mobile there will be SIM card. In the mobile there will be SIM card. If the SIM card is there, if the SIM card is activated, if the SIM card is there, if the SIM card is activated, the SIM card will connect with the network. When the SIM card is connected with the network, we can download the files. We can watch the videos, listen the audios. We can talk lively with Zoom or something. So here, the SIM card is taken out from the mobile. It can't get connected with the network and we cannot get the information, videos, audios, or files. Like that. In ourself also there is a SIM card like some thing is there. It is called as self. This self is part of the cosmos. This self is active, dynamic. This self uses the body and mind to get experiences, to evolve on this plane of human existence. In the name of human experiences, the self evolves. So we are called as spiritual beings with a human class. So this is the spirit of law of attraction, I think. We are not human beings, we are a spiritual being with a human class. The cloth may be, in Bhagavad Gita, the cloth, like a cloth, will leave the body and will get another body in the next generation. Will take another life and the other life will take another form, another being. So here, when we think about positive thoughts, if we think about love, we'll attract all the loving people. Are you following? If you are following, type following with the mark. Okay, very good. If we maintain positive thoughts, if we maintain a love in our heart, if we keep the love in our heart and in our work, we'll attract the people as related to the heart. And also we'll be having harmonious conditions in life. If we maintain jealousy and worry and all negative emotions, we create in harmony in ourselves, and also we attract the environment like that. Even if the environment is good, also we will find the environment, and there will be always limitations and problems and challenges in the environment. You might know some of the people who always thinking that negative thoughts. They get up from the bed in the early morning, and by the time of breakfast, they will make the life miserable by their thoughts. Some people will start nagging, that is, commenting all negative things, and they attract all the negative people, and negative people already create that. Are you following? If you are following, type 1 in the box. Okay, very good. Great response. Very good, congratulations. If somebody thinking about fighting, if you want to quarrel, if you want to argue, and if you want to win this person and that person by his what we call negative thinking and negative abilities and the bad words, foul language, bad mouth and foul language, naturally he will be attracting towards that environment. all the people who are good and harmonious, they will be left from his world, and he will be directed to a place where the thinking is equal to his standard. So I request you to experiment in your life from today for 30 days and post your experiments, experience in the Facebook group so that by changing the thought, you can create anything. You can create wealth, you can create success, you can create harmonious relations, you can attract the people you want in your life. You keep your frequency and vibration constant. If you keep the thought and also if you increase the thought at a meditative level, at a deeper level, to hold one thought, suppose loving thought or your dream thought, and if you keep the thought in mind for a longer duration of time, the intensity of thought and also duration of the thought gives greater and greater amazing results. So the creator already had given us the benefit to use our mind. According to our mind only, our environment is created. So we are the creators of our life, and also we are also creators of our environment. If the circumstances are not good, think what you want and hold it in your mind for 30 days. You will get wonderful results. If you want job, if you want wealth, if you want to create $1,000,000, keep it in the mind and practice for 30 days in a positive state of mind and take all the positive action. And you will get some of the help also from the unexpected sources also. And you will be moving on that particular line. Are you following? Okay. If you are following, type 1 in the box. Okay. In the next class, next session, we will discuss some more about the law of attraction. It is a part 1. We will discuss some more news about the law of attraction in the next class. Okay, see you and post your comments in the VIP group so that I will see your comments and also your experiences also. Take a decision to commitment for 30 days to experiment with. Okay, see you in the next. Bye bye.